In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tactics that can slash your Facebook ads CAC by 30% or more. I was blessed to work in growth in unicorn apps like Common Cash App to add hundreds of millions in enterprise value with Facebook ads. And after working with dozens of apps, poor unit economics is the #1 reason that apps can't scale with Facebook ads. And in the end of the video, I'm going to share a special resource that 99% of Facebook marketers don't know about. And I'll share exactly how to get it at the end. So whether you're an app founder or a performance marketing leader looking to scale Facebook ads and facing rising ad costs, stop lighting your money on fire. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to test is something called a qualified trial event. And it's something that happens after a trial start, typically within 24 to 48 hours. That shows you that they are active and using your app. So it's highly correlated to your subscribe event. They use your app, they see value, and they're more likely to pay for your app after your free trial. And the idea is to test bringing the optimization event down the funnel. And you want to balance out with high enough event volume. So if you don't have enough volume on this qualified trial event, test it, but you can go back to the trial start event and test some of the other techniques that I'm about to show you. Some examples of a qualified trial event after the trial start is logging a workout or saving a search or requesting a brochure. And a pro tip from Sylvan from Growth Gems is that you can exclude people who've canceled your free trial within the first 10 to 15 hours, so you don't send that signal back to Facebook. #2 is testing lookalikes. And we all know that broad is the bread and butter if you want to scale your Facebook ad account. But if you're struggling with CAC on Facebook, you can test lookalikes and test different seed sets besides all customers. You can test your highest LTV users. And I've found that the time recency is really good. So what I mean by that is pull users that are most active within the last 30 days or within the last 90 days. And you want to aim for a list size of at least 10,000. Maybe you can go as low as 5,000, but at least 10,000, and upload that to Facebook. They'll match the users as best as they can, but somewhere around like a 70% match rate is expected. And you might see that you get a higher cost per trial with these lookalike audiences, but they're usually offset with a higher trial to subscribe rate because the audience quality is higher. And you can probably pull these from Mode Analytics or Amplitude or PostHog or whatever app analytics provider that you use. And later in the video, I'll reveal how you can combine broad targeting with other advanced strategies to significantly improve your CAC. Next, creative testing. Don't get stuck in the situation where you're winning ads fatigue and you don't have one next up in the queue. And you want to keep iterating on ads that are working, keep testing new concepts, and you will get home run ads. It's about building a repeatable process where you can expect to get 1 or 2 or 3 unicorn winning ads every single month. And I won't dive deep here, but I've covered exactly how to make video ads that convert in another video, which I'll link to at the end. And I actually built Sovereign to automate the grunt work of video editing and ad launching so that you can save thousands of dollars per month on headcount and hourly wages, and so that you can focus on higher order problems. Next, bid caps and cost caps. So I recommend doing this in your evergreen broad targeting campaigns, and you probably won't land on the optimal value on the first try. With cost caps, I recommend starting somewhere at 130% of your CAC goal. If your goal CAC is $100, then start off your cost cap at $130. And with bid caps, I like to start even higher, and I find that you'll be okay. And the reason I like to start higher is that you get data coming in right away and you start getting delivery, and you can balance out the risk with a lower starting daily budget on the ad set. But you can think of the risk on these ad sets as very low because you're pumping them full of creatives that have already gotten past your creative testing criteria. So you have room to be aggressive and spend with bid caps and cost caps on these ads already. So here's the special resource that most marketers don't know exists, and it's called Bid Multipliers. It's available through the API only, and you actually have to be whitelisted by your Facebook ad rep. And in 2023, I gave this script out for free. You can just get it in the description, and you're essentially telling Facebook that you want to pay more for certain demographics or placements. And this allows you to still target broad. Generally, you don't want to make your audience too small, like excluding female or excluding male or going after a specific age range, because that will explode your CPM. So with bid multipliers, you can still go broad, but then you can bid lower on 18 to 24, bid higher on 30 plus, for example. You can find this in the description, and I strongly suggest that you test this if you have a Facebook rep. Now, next up, if you want to learn more about how to make video ads that actually convert in 2025, click this video now.